I have this golf rangefinder, the GPS watch. It's about 3 years old. And last Sunday I was playing golf and middle of it shuts off. So I guess after a few years the battery gone bad. I didn't want to buy another one. Originally I paid $99, now it's $110. So I decided to change out the battery. I already put the new battery in. I'm going to show you how I did it. This is the original battery I took out. I couldn't find the exact same one. Tried to Google it, couldn't find it. I couldn't come up with the same battery. So what I really care is how many milliamps. It's a 380. I found this on Amazon. I put the link on the description. This is a little different shape, but about the same size as original one, which is this one. This one is a hair shorter than this, but I managed to put that in. You just have to squeeze in a little bit. It fits in fine. It only cost me, what was it, $7.59, which I have a Prime, so I didn't have to pay shipping. So it's a $7.59 is what I paid for. So this is number 1 screwdriver. It's a real thin one. You just remove the screws. Let me see if I can find the one that actually works. So if you have that out, this band overlaps. So you kind of bend it like this, and you pull this cover off like that. So as it comes out, this is a new battery, as I said. That's a new battery. So this is the old one. How you can tell your battery may be defective is if you look on the side, it kind of pops up. When the battery, lithium battery goes bad, it kind of expands because there's a gas buildup. And when that happens, some of the cells lose the cell power, and you don't get the full strength. So you're only going to get maybe like half or 1/10 of it, depends on how many cells gone bad. But usually when gas fills up, this bubbles up like this. I don't know, it's like cushiony because there's a gas inside. The new one, this is the new one. The new one came with this 2-pin plug, which we don't need because this original battery is soldered right onto the main PCB. So this is the little buzzer that makes the like a beeping sound when you push the buttons. So you just simply pull that away from the battery, which was right here. This was taped on like this. So you just simply peel that off. This is a new battery. So what I did was I cut this plug off, which we don't need. So once you cut this plug off, and center this. So now you're gonna have 2 wires. One's black, one's red. It's a little thicker than original one, but it doesn't matter. So what you do is you're gonna either tape up. I solder it. It's a better way to do it. Or if you don't have a soldering iron, you just peel that off, twist them together, tape that up. Same thing over here on the black one. But I did have a soldering iron, so I soldered that onto it. And I put heat shrink over instead of using tape. So that's what that is. So once you have that solder, you put this one in. I just lay this one. It was taped up onto the old battery. I just left it on the top of it like this. And put this back in. It has a little cutout here for this circuit board. So make sure you put it in the same way. And you slide down carefully like that in place, because that has to make contact with these buttons on the side here. Now the trouble I was having, this is a little bit taller than this. It's about like 1/8 of an inch taller compared to the original one. But I was able to just squeeze it down, middle part like this. And then this is the contact docking port, so that has to go on this side. So just lay down, flick. Then I just put inside in and pull the stand away. But that's how you can see it's okay. So if you take all the screws, I just look up DPS for me. It's easier. Screw tighten. Don't tighten the screws across all the way down because you want to gradually tighten all four at the same time because if the battery is really oversized, you don't press down one corner too much. Just gradually put these screws in and tighten it back all of it. Yes, sir. These batteries go bad. My other watch battery lasts for a long time, but this one only lasts for about 3 years. I don't know why. And I don't use that much because, as I said, I only use it for summertime, and I don't charge the battery all the way during winter time. But I guess that's not good. Alright, so you tighten all screws, make sure they're all tightened. All good to go. Good as new. Cost me only $7 and change.